Every day, millions of Americans suffer from CHCC, common household cable clutter.
Is anybody ever going to come up with a solution to this cord problem?
The CableHub is a solution that you've been waiting for. It's the only way to keep your cables organized, stable, and on your table. The CableHub organizes up to 10 feet of cable. Just wrap it and snap it. Use our free online design studio to personalize your CableHub. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Upload, personalize, and print. Practical cable management for your boat, game room, kids room, kitchen, bedroom, and table or workspace. The CableHub is proudly innovated and manufactured in the U.S.A. We thank you for watching our video, and we look forward to seeing you in the Wal-Mart store near you. To learn more, visit thecablehub.com.